How to do blue comment on TikTok. On TikTok, blue comments are those that appear as clickable search links, allowing users to explore related content. These blue comments are generated automatically by TikTok's algorithm when it identifies certain keywords or phrases in comments that align with trending topic or common search queries. As a result, individuals user cannot manually create or control these blue comments. To increase the likelihood of your comments turning blue, consider some steps like this. Now find the video you want to comment, then incorporate trending phrases or hashtags relevant to the video's content in your comment. Comment on videos that are currently popular or part of trending challenges, as these are more likely to have blue comments. Then, regularly observe which topics are generating blue comments and tailor your interactions automatically. Remember, the appearance of blue comment is ultimately determined by TikTok's system and there is no guarantee method to create them manually. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.